What's up, guys? Today we are talking about the HyperX Alloy Origins keyboard I have purchased, and this is I've upgraded my keyboard. I've decided I don't like reds no more, so we're just going to talk about the HyperX Origins keyboard today. I got this from Micro Center. It was actually on a Black Friday sale. Great deal on this keyboard. It comes with blue clickies, which I'm not a keyboard expert, but I've been getting into it a little bit more since. So these are Cherry MX Blues is what they're called. I got those, and as you can see here, and if you see my keyboard here in a minute, these come with black keycaps, which black just kind of didn't seem to work very good. So I decided to go with, and this holds all my other old keycaps in, the black ones. This is actually Pudding Keycaps. It looks really good with the black base and with the Pudding Keycaps, and it looks amazing. So if you see me typing away here, and I'll actually bring up my keyboard, as you can probably see here. Now this is what my keyboard looks like. It is fantastic. It has been a tremendous upgrade, I think, from reds, and I'm going to talk about a little bit different why I don't like the reds as good as I do the blues, and we'll talk about that here on Full Tech. But before we get into that, be sure to like, share, subscribe to this channel. Follow me over on Twitter at @TheSmango. Check out fulltechpodcast.com. Do that, and let's get into this even more. All right. So I'm just going to bring up a notepad here. You should see how my keys are looking. And you can see, like, I have this set up a certain way that I like. And I'm going to do that again. Just going to type some random stuff. I'll try to get a little whee. I like how it does that. Now, this keyboard comes with a couple of different settings, and you can change that. I like this one because it wasn't as, I guess, intrusive. So if you hit this, F1, nope, wrong key. If you hit function F1, you can see there is like a rainbow mode. This comes standard on the keyboard. And you can actually download the HyperX software, and you'll be able to probably make your own custom stuff. I haven't got that far yet, but hit function F2. There's another kind of thing, and you can type, and your keys don't change. Now, my favorite one was the F3. It turns it off whenever you hit a keystroke. It's awesome. Also want you guys to get a feel of what the keys sound like with the blue blue clicky. So we're going to just type right here. Alright, so now you got the idea of what a blue clicky sounds like there. If we go back to my old keyboard, and we'll bring it over here. This is a Logitech keyboard here. It's stuck behind some stuff. I use this for my workstation here at my homework office now. But this is a Logitech keyboard. Great keyboard. It just has red caps, and as you can see, there's no real feedback. It's super fast, and I just want to talk about the difference between using reds and blues. Both are extremely great keyboards. Now, this is honestly my favorite keyboard I've ever owned. Now let's get a good look here. Woo. Maybe not jack up everything behind my computer here, but this is my favorite keyboard here now. This HyperX keyboard. Extremely, I love the feel of it when I first got it. I've had blues in the past, but for whatever reason, I decided that I wanted to be a gamer, and all the gamers were using reds. You got to use reds, and so I got the red keyboard, or the red switches, And turns out I just really didn't like them. I've went through a few keyboards here lately. I've actually got a few to my son. I've even bought a cheap keyboard, fake mechanical, just to see how it would feel. It felt better than some of the reds to me. Now, I just like the feedback of a regular keyboard. Like I feel like I'm actually touching something. Whereas a red, it's just you go so fast it don't even feel like you're touching anything with a red keyboard, and that's just my biggest problem. Now, some people just they absolutely love the red keys. So, anyways, going back to the red key switches. I just really don't like them. They don't feel as good when I'm typing. I feel like I want some feedback when I'm typing, and that's why I wanted to go with the HyperX. When I tried it out, I was just like, this feels exactly how I want. I'm gonna quit switching keys. Now, the bad thing about blues and with this keyboard is that it is loud. It is a lot louder than, I mean, that is loud. Actually, that's louder if you hit it hard. If you just tap it like that, it's not loud. But see, it don't matter how hard it's always gonna make the click. See, reds, you can't hear it. Blues, no matter what, it's gonna make a little clicky sound. So if you're in Discord or something like that, people can hear you typing. People can hear you typing everywhere with this thing. That's probably the only downfall to having blue key switches. But reds, I mean, you hear how loud that is. That's mine. So, how would I rate the HyperX Alloy Origins? I think it's a fantastic keyboard. Now, a lot of people these days are not going through with the full key set. They're not getting the numpads anymore. They are going with the smaller keyboards, and I actually love the numpad. So, sue me. I have to have the full keyboard. Like, it just makes sense. I'm always doing something over here on the numpad. Like, it's just super easy, and you know, this keyboard's awesome. I do want to play more with the settings and stuff, but one of these days I'll get around to that. I don't know when. But if you guys liked this tech review, I hope to do more. I've got so much tech laying around that I've never reviewed, so why not review it all here on Full Tech? So be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Let me know if you liked this video, if you didn't like it, if I missed something. What is your favorite keyboard? Let me know your favorite keyboard. Let me know your favorite key switches. Leave a comment down below on YouTube. We'll see you guys next time.